In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in an image using Canva. Whether you're designing a unique invitation, crafting a memorable social media post, or creating a stunning presentation, learning to edit text in Canva can really elevate your projects. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to select the design you wish to edit, head over to Canva and browse through your existing projects or simply create a new one. The design you choose should be one that you either want to modify or use as a base for your own creative ideas. Once you have your design open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This ensures you know exactly which elements you'll be working with when editing. Next, turn your attention to the text on the design. Double-clicking on the text box is your key step here. This action will allow you to enter editing mode where you can make changes directly to the text. If the text feels a bit small or hard to read, you might want to zoom in a little. Canva has handy zoom tools that make this easy, enhancing your ability to focus on the finer details. Now that you're in editing mode, go ahead and type in the text you want. This part is straightforward. Highlight the existing text, remove it, and start typing your preferred words. Canva is designed to be user-friendly. If you make a mistake or want to try different wording, you can edit as many times as you like. This flexibility is ideal for experimentation with different styles or messaging. If you're interested in changing the font to better fit the style you're aiming for, Canva offers a plethora of options. Select the current font in the toolbar above your design canvas, and a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various font options. Browse through to find one that captures the personality and tone of your design. Keep in mind the readability and visual hierarchy of your text. Some fonts, while beautiful, may not always be the best choice for clarity, especially in smaller sizes. There you have it. With these simple steps, you can personalize any image in Canva by editing your text. Remember, taking a little extra time to choose the right words and styles can make your design stand out and convey the message you're aiming for more effectively. Experiment with different combinations and don't hesitate to try various fonts to see how they influence the overall look and feel of your design. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in guiding you through the essentials of text editing in Canva. Have fun creating, and I'll see you in the next video.